Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to unlock a secret Christmas Canva element that is still update and super aesthetic. Okay, first just open your Canva and then just open your any designs and then just go to elements like this and then just search for this code. Just type this code and then just enter and okay like this. The secret the secret Christmas element will instantly appear like this. These element set features like hand-drawn cozy Christmas illustrations like Christmas trees and then winter and then just festive accessories, stars, and many more. These elements are perfect for Christmas social media posts, holiday invitations, winter Instagram stories, or maybe cute Christmas designs and many more. Just give it a try and okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.